Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, September 29, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from the weekend. You?
I'm fine. Ready for another busy day. This coffee smells great.
Yes, it does. I need it to start the day.
Me too. The machine is working well today. No problems.
Good. Last week it was broken. I missed my coffee.
I know. Coffee is important in the office. Helps us focus.
True. Did you see the news this week? There is a lot going on.
Yes. That story about the former French president. What a surprise.
You mean Nicolas Sarkozy? Yes, I read about it in the news.
Yeah. He got sentenced to 5 years in prison for illegal campaign financing from Libya.
It is shocking he was the president of France. Now this.
Right. The court said he took money from Colonel Gaddafi's government for his 2007 election.
Exactly. They called it a conspiracy. He has to serve part of the sentence.
Crazy? Politics is full of surprises. Makes you think.
It does. How does this affect business? We deal with French companies sometimes.
Good question. In sales, trust is key. If leaders get in trouble, it scares partners.
Yes, companies might check backgrounds more to avoid risks.
Totally. I have a client in Europe. I will be careful now.
Smart. It shows corruption can hurt international deals.
Sure. Anyway, enough about politics. What about tech news?
Oh, the TikTok story, that is big too.
Yeah. President Trump signed an executive order to advance the TikTok deal.
I saw that. It is about selling TikTok's U.S. operations to American investors.
Right. To fix national security issues, no more Chinese control.
Yes. The order says the deal meets the law from 2024. TikTok can stay online.
Good, we use TikTok for marketing. Videos help sell products.
As project manager, I think about data privacy. This protects users.
True, but it might change how apps work. New rules for tech.
Maybe. Our team uses social media for projects. We need to follow updates.
I agree. In sales, I post on TikTok. Short videos get attention.
Nice. Does it bring more leads? I wonder.
Yes, sometimes. Young customers like it. But now with this deal, it feels safer.
Fair point. Tech moves fast. We have to keep up.
Totally. Remember when TikTok was new? Everyone was excited.
Yes, now it is huge. 1 billion users worldwide.
Wow. But security first, the government is right.
I think so. It could inspire other apps to improve.
Maybe. Our office uses apps too, for meetings and files.
True. We should check if our tools are secure.
Good idea. I will ask it later.
Okay. Now let's talk about the economy. That consumer spending news.
Oh, yes. U.S. consumer spending increased in August.
Despite high prices, it is a positive sign.
Right. People spent more on goods and services, even with inflation.
The data shows a 0.5% rise. From the Commerce Department?
Nice. It means the economy is strong, jobs are okay.
Yes, consumers feel confident. They buy cars, clothes, food.
In sales, this is great. More spending means more orders.
Exactly. Our projects might get more budget now.
Hope so. Last month was slow, but August looks better.
Society seems more stable. People are not scared.
True. I saw friends buying new things, not holding back.
Me too. It helps businesses like ours.
Yes, we can plan for growth. More meetings, more goals.
Structured planning is key. As project manager, I like that.
You are good at it. Always organized.
Thanks. You bring energy to sales.
Huh. Thanks, we make a good team.
We do. This news makes me optimistic.
Me too. Better than bad economic stories.
Absolutely. No worries about recession now.
Fingers crossed. Anyway, coffee is done. Time to work.
Yes, I have a team meeting at 9.
I have calls all morning. Busy day.
Good luck. See you later.
You too. Have a great day.
Thanks, bye.
Time to get to work? Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.